In front of me is Infinix Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. You need to begin by launching Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on Notifications and Status Bar. Now scroll again, and this time click on a green switcher next to any app from which you want to block notifications, or grey one to switch them on. Some are permanently disabled. The slightly less dark grey. Unfortunately, you can't manage notifications from those. If you are struggling to find one of your apps, you can tap on the search bar at the bottom and look for it this way. Or you can click on this icon here next to Sort by Time and pick one of those options. Sort by time, sort by frequency, apps with notifications, or apps without notifications. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, just manage those switchers again. Quick tip, if you wish, you can also tap on any app on the left, and this way not only turn on or switch off notifications, thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications, but also check out all of those notification settings for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!